Hello my beauties, how are you? This tutorial will be all about how to carry the trending trend of spring 2021 bright pink lips and what to start better than wearing a bright pink lips. So what are the steps you need to follow? What are the things you have to pay attention while wearing bright lips will be covered in this video. If you're interested, let's jump into the video. So the first thing is my skin is all prepared, all set for the makeup, but lips have to be taken special care whenever you're wearing any bright lipstick. Chapped lips are completely no. So I've hydrated them. Now I will be priming my skin. For this, I'm using this Maybelline's primer on my T-zone. This will blur all the texture, and a little bit of pore issue which I have around my T-zone will be all blurred out, all be taken care. And after this, I want a little hydration for my skin. For this, I'll use this primer oil from Wet n Wild, and this I will use all over my face. Then after this, I'll be using a concealer in peach color over my acne marks and dark circles to cancel them out. And for blending this into my skin, I'll be using the warmth of my finger. To blend any concealer or corrector into your skin, the best tool is to use your finger. Nothing can beat your fingers as a tool for your makeup. And after that, I'm using Bye Bye Cosmetics BB cream. This is an SPF 50 and this gives you a skin kind of a look. So here comes the tip number 1. Whenever you're going to wear any bright lipstick, keep your foundation and any other component of your makeup just natural, just like your skin. Don't go over the top with any other product because lip are the focal point. You can't go bright with any other thing. And now this is bare skin concealer. I'm just using tad bit to highlight the normal points, and then again I'm using a brush to well blend it into my skin. This is a usual drill. After that, I would set it with this Bye Bye Cosmetic translucent powder just over the places where generally I crease and crack. And after that, I'll move on to the next step. I would do my eyebrows using this Anastasia's Brow Pomade offline as well as one of my eyes. Tip number 2, how to do your eyes. Whenever you're doing your eyes, keep them neutral. First thing, I'm using this brown bronzer from Hoola as in transition shade on my crease line. That's it. After that, I'll be picking up my favorite highlighter. This is a muted highlighter from MAC Cosmetic. Oh darling, this will not blind anyone. I'm using it on the inner corner and the brow bone as well as all over my lid. This would make my eye look complete. Tip number 3, try to avoid false lashes. Coat them with mascara. Be generous with your mascara, but do not wear false lashes. It gives you instantly a look of a doll. Bright lips, artificial lashes. Try completely to avoid it. And after that, we'll be working with the bronzer. I'll be using it on hollow of the cheeks and jawline, but I won't be going off with my blush. Yes, I would not be doing any other makeup of my face. I will be rather working with my lips. Tip number 4, exfoliate your lips. Before wearing any bright lips, there should be absolutely no dead skin on your lips. Tip number 5, wear always a lip primer under your bright lipstick. This ensures that your lipstick will stay on place for hours. The usual problem of bright lipsticks getting faded over the time, this will be also covered or will be not happening because you're wearing a lip primer under your lipstick. So this is why lip primers are important. And this is the lipstick which you think you will wear right away. No. You should always use a lip liner. I'm using a lip liner very close to my lip color, and then I would apply the lipstick. This is a powder liquid formula from MAC. This is a beautiful, easy wear mousse kind of a formula. Whenever you wear any liquid or a bright lip, try to use this tip. This is a beautiful tip I'm going to share, or rather a secret. Whenever you wear your lipstick, use your fingers. Yes, use your fingers to gently smudge those sharp edges. Those edges do look beautiful, but when you wear it with a smudge look, it gives either a more modern, chic or a model kind of a look. Now I'll be moving back to my face again. For face, I'll be using this NARS Cosmetics very natural kind of a blush. I told you I won't be using a blush and a highlighter right away when I was doing my face. This calls the tip number 6. Whenever you wear any bright lipstick, try to avoid using blush and highlighter before your lipstick. You should get the overall feel how bright your lipstick is, how subtle your other things should be. So that's a tip always use highlighter and blush after you're done with your lips and rest of the face, so that you get an idea how bright you want to keep those stuff. And this completes the look, and this completes the tips I had to share with you to wear any bright lipstick this spring 2021. If you enjoyed today's video and found it a little informative, then kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Until we meet next, take care. Bye bye.